Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friend we are going to talk about guys Infinix phone guys phone developer mode guys. How can we enable it? Friends, we want to enable guys Infinix phone guys developer mode option. So how can you enable it and friend, how can you use it today friends? I will show you. I will tell you guys. So before starting video, friend, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys. Click the bell icon, like the video. Friends, now let's see how can we enable guys developer mode option in our Infinix phone device and friend, how can we use it. So friends, you will have to on guys your phone setting guys. So guys, we will on guys our phone setting. After on phone setting guys, you will have to click on guys your phone my phone setting and guys scroll it. As you can see Infinix phone guys your phone build number. So friends, you will have to 4 and 5 times guys, you will have to tap on your build number 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 guys. 7 times guys, you will have to tap and guys you will have to draw your pattern to enable your developer option. So friends, you can see okay, now we are developer and a very developer mode option guys I will also tell you. So friends, you can check guys your developer option setting from your system setting. As you can see guys, we have the developer option tab here to check. So once you can see developer option guys, you can use from here this setting. So I hope friends you understood how to enable developer mode option guys and how can we use it. As you can see there are many types of setting guys, you can on and off from here this setting from here. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video, bye bye guys.